Hey guys, mic check. Oh, I assume it's working. So listen, I'm gonna do a quick stream today. We're just gonna see what happens if we get topped out here. We're at this red ring on the F1 chart. If you paid attention to yesterday's video or yesterday's stream and the stream before, I told you to pay attention to this green line on the G1 chart right here. And notice what happened. I said if we break it, I said we're coming down, and we did. We came down right here. So once we break this support, we're going to have a drop. We dropped all the way to 28,500, but notice where the meat of the candle is on the daily, right above this green line that I told you was a major support level it needed to hold. So this was a fake out to the downside, probably to liquidate some shorts, but it pushed back up, and you see right now, we are above this line right here, but guys, this is a daily candle. But the most important thing, whatever happens, now I did tell you guys, if you wanted to stay in above this this key support. Obviously, this is why I don't use leverage, guys, because it'll wick your ass out. It'll send it down, wick you out, and then come right back up. But again, you can see how important the support level is just because the meat of the candle is right above this line. And look, when the next candle opened, where did the wick come down to? Right down to this damn green line, which shows how important this green line that I've been going over the last 3 streams on the G1 chart, how important it is, why it needs to hold. Price keeps respecting it. Once we're below that and that becomes resistance, then it's very bad for Bitcoin. Okay, so now we pushed up. People are getting bullish. People are buying in. I see all these other YouTubers. Oh, I'm bullish. It's going up. Maybe that's the case. We knew to hold support here. We continue up. Notice I got my stop right below here. So hey, I'm in, but I'm contemplating getting out because this is that same ring. Remember this red ring here that I told you guys? I said, look. I said we'd hit it right here. It was resistance, it was resistance, it was resistance. I made that live stream. I said, guys, I think it's time to short 41K because we're coming up on this ring. We hit this ring right at 41K. Let me give you a price label here. I said we hit this right here. I said 41K, guys, short it. And we came down ever since. So look what happened. We pushed down, and now look where we're at, guys. By the way, refresh the F1 chart. I had to change it to the 3 hour. For some reason on the 2 hour wasn't showing up. And I'm getting to charting after the stream, so it's not going to be long. We're just seeing if we're topped out. So again, this red ring right here, we've topped out at it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This is the 5th time we're at it. So what do you guys think? You think we're going to top out, come back down? Or you think we're going to blow past this? By the way, if we do get past this red ring and hold support, guys, I'm bullish for more upside. Yeah, go back and watch yesterday's live stream, the live stream before that, if you want to get caught up. But, I told you how important this green line is. And 3 daily candles, it closed right above it. Look at this. Closed right above it. The next one dropped below, and then you can see the meat is right above it. And then we got rejected, this orange ring. So watch orange ring. And then the next one opened above. I said if we open above the next daily candle, above this orange ring, that is bullish. Notice we did drop down to support, and then in Discord I said, look guys, if you want to stay in, just have your stop set below. But it dropped down to it and then pushed right back up. Now you see we're coming down because we're at this magical red ring, and we're also at a moving average. There's a lot of resistance above, guys, so I'm just saying, look, if we get above 35,000, let's just say 35,000. Is that a coincidence? That's where price is right now, 35,000 at that ring. If you get above 35,000 and hold support, I'm bullish. Otherwise, this thing could just come down and something like that. Now, I would talk more, guys, but I have no creamer. I have plenty of coffee, but I have no creamer. I'm not going to drink coffee without creamer. So I'm going to run to Dunkin'. Actually, I'm going to drive to Dunkin' and grab me some coffee, and then I'll be right back, and then we're going to see what the hell's going to happen. But I'll let the stream just go while I'm getting coffee, and then we'll talk about a few other things, and then I got to get busy charting. So, be right back. Oh, one more thing before I run out. What did I guys tell you that would eventually hold a support? Go back and watch that of the live stream right here at this price label on the C1 chart. I said this will probably hold a support if we come down. And we did get a wick below, but that's what I said. It'll come down, and then it'll come right back up and hold support. And notice this was our resistance above. So I just wanted to point out how well that played out. It was resistance. I mean, that's if you use leverage, they're going to wreck the hell out of you because that's what they do. But this was our support. Even though we dropped below it, bam, next candle opened right above it, wick to it, pushed up. Just showing you how accurate these damn charts are. When I get back, I'll show the charts. Thank you, Mary. But yeah, I'll leave the C1 chart up because this has been dead on accurate. And when I update these Bitcoin charts, the C1, the F1, there's a few of these Bitcoin charts are very, very accurate. Some of them have been more accurate in other areas, so I'm going to kind of consolidate certain parts from certain charts, combine them together. But I have to be careful because for some reason, TradingView, the more stuff you add, it starts screwing up or something. I don't know why. How long will I be away? Duncan is maybe a 45-second drive. Maybe about a 50-second drive. So however long it takes them to serve me my damn coffee. Maybe 3 minutes, I'll be back. Just give me time, guys. I'll be right back. So I'm going to get my coffee. I'll come back. We'll go over these charts. And I'm just going to kill the stream. Like when you're not expecting it. I mean, we'll talk for a bit. But literally, I'm just going to be talking. And you're not going to know when. And then the stream's just going to end. So be prepared. But yeah, I'll be right back, guys. All right, that starts now because I couldn't find my car keys or my wallet. I just found them. Now I'm leaving. And it does look like we're kind of topping out, so pay attention right here. I'm going to get rid of this arrow. No, I'm going to leave the arrow because it's important to understand what this means. But look, You can see what's happening, right? This red ring is influencing price again, so just be very cautious. We're at resistance here, we're at resistance there. We're back underneath this damn line right here on the G1 chart. But again, I'll be right back now that I can actually leave. Alright guys, I'm back. I was fast. The people at Duncan were just slow and stupid. So yeah, so far we're topped out, guys. I think it's very possible that we're going to start heading back down. I know I'm bearish. You're probably tired of hearing me being bearish, but guys, come on. Yeah, we're topped out at the ring. I think same thing that happened last time is going to happen again. I think we're going to come back down. We're eventually going to break it. I think it was a short squeeze. So I'm enjoying my coffee for a minute. We'll go through a couple of these charts. Is there a Taco Bell and Domino's by your Dunkin'? Where I'm at, there's everything's by me. Everything. But I tell you what, I'm really friggin' sore right now. I've been doing push-ups and pull-ups every day for a month, actually 2 months now. Normally I do about 2 push-ups and about 1 pull-up, maybe 1.5. I decided to push myself. I did 3.5 push-ups and I did 2.5 pull-ups. And I pushed myself. I'm like really sore. My upper arms and my shoulders and my back. So I'm probably gonna have to take it easy for a little while. Shut up, kitty. I hope we dump, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just telling you what to watch, all right? If we get above that red ring, get bullish. Otherwise, that red ring has been pushing us down. No, I drink protein shakes. I put a ribeye in a blender, and then I add a little milk to it, and add some ice. So I have a little steak smoothie. It's delicious. Yeah, there's a death cross, all kinds of crap. Who gives a crap about moving averages? Don't use moving averages anymore. Don't use moving averages. Don't use Bollinger Bands. Don't use typical TA. Throw that stuff out the window. All you need is just a ring, guys. That's all you need. All you need is a ring. What every girl wants. They want a ring. What you need in trading is just a ring. A ring will solve all your problems or destroy your world. I'm telling you. Do not mess around when it comes to the ring. When we come to a ring that we previously got rejected at 4 times, and I said, look, we might top out here, you say, well, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. When I say pay attention to this ring, you guys better pay attention. When I said pay attention to the support level, yes, we did break it, but the meat of the candle's above it. You know this is an important support level. I've showed you this so many times. How many of you saw me show you this green line right here? And I went back and showed you how many times it was tested and respected. How many times? You guys, you saw it, right? And then look how well it respected it. I'm just telling you, these charts are a roadmap. Yes, there's a little art involved. And yes, the guy that does this, he puts, he knows what the hell he's doing. He does a good job on these charts. He takes the time to make sure he knows exactly where support and resistance is. And from that, he creates these magical fib circles. Steve, real question: if you have full Bitcoin to trade with, don't use leverage. Which trading site do you go? Coinbase, because I trust Coinbase. If Coinbase tries to screw me over, I will contact them, and if I can't get in touch with them, I'll get in my damn car and I'll drive there and I will bang on the glass until somebody answers. And if they don't answer, I'll bang on the glass with a crowbar. But I will get a friggin' answer and I will get my money back. If that happens at Binance or Bybit, well, first of all, I'm going to have to fly there. Probably going to have to get a passport so I can get there. And then when I get there, I got to find out where the headquarters are because they don't really have a headquarters. Their whole structure is set up to where you can't do shit about it. If they screw you over, you're just pretty much screwed. If you're on Kraken or if you're somewhere here in the U.S., at least you have a chance. Maybe you can find out where the CEO is or somebody that works there, grab them, tie them up with some duct tape, demand your money back. But you can't do that with, overseas. I'm not suggesting anyone take anyone hostage or do anything, bad. That's not what you should do. Probably very effective, but you can go to jail, prison time. If you do get enough money to where it's worth the prison time, maybe it's worth it. Guys, it's a gray area. I'm just saying don't break the law if you're going to get caught. Steve, do you think we will be going to around 19,000? Look, I personally believe 99.95% that yes, we are going to head down to $19,000 to $20,000. I just think this is just suckering people in to think we're going higher because people are stupid. It crashes 50%. People say it's going back up and they buy into the hopium shit and then it pushes up a little bit. They get bullish, they buy in and they get wrecked again. and again and again and again, because I'm sorry, I'm losing faith in humanity. I don't know if it's in the water, if it's medication people are taking. Please do not take offense when I say this. If any of you are stupid, maybe you were born that way, you can't help it. But the majority of people really are stupid. And you know, I remember Alessio had a video where he was saying that a lot of people are stupid. He said, not the people here, guys. You people are really smart because you're following me. No, at least half of you in here are pretty fucking stupid. I'm trying to help you be smarter, though. I am trying to help you be smarter. Some of you, it's too late. Come on down again and again, guys. I'm just telling you, look, the charts don't lie. You might not like me, you might not like what I say, but the charts have been spot on. Go watch my last 5-6 live streams and you will understand why. See, and sometimes you're not stupid, sometimes you just feel stupid. If that doesn't make you stupid, it just means you made a stupid decision. So I want to help you not be stupid and not feel stupid. For some of you, you're always going to feel stupid because you actually are stupid. I was stupid, slowly getting wise. Yeah, and then there's different kinds of stupid. There's stupid, there's stupid wise. I can't think of any other kinds of stupid. Yeah, I'm just throwing jabs, guys. I'm having fun. None of you guys are stupid. If you're in here, all of you are super, super smart. If any of you leave, you're stupid. And if you don't subscribe, you're stupid. If you don't subscribe to my charts, you must be very, very stupid. I'm just bullshitting, seeing what happens. So guys, you know I have to show my charts because, I mean, why not? I got a live stream, I got an audience, so the charts have been accurate. So you know what? If you want to stop getting wrecked, you know, well, if you can use leverage, you're going to get wrecked no matter what. If you want to stop losing money and making money, it's just one website you have to go to, guys. Do you know what the website is? You know what that website is? It's right here. It's called opticalartcrypto.com. You go here, you sign up, you get access to these charts. You know where it's going to go. If it pushes up, where it's going to drop. If it drops, where it's going to push up. If it pushes up, you know where it's going to get rejected. I'm showing you that right now. We got rejected on a magical red ring for a 4th time. Actually, a 5th time. I hope it's okay to say stupid and on YouTube streams because that is kind of offensive. Somebody says so joking around, okay, but will get you banned on Discord? No, joking around will get you banned on Discord, but I did ban one person that was being disrespectful to a mod. Look, if you're disrespectful to a mod for no reason, you get banned. Someone else got banned. He was a lifetime member. I don't care if you pay or not. If you're not respectful to other people, regardless. Now, I'm playing, guys, and I'm calling people stupid saying this. I am just playing and having fun. But yeah, if you're not nice to people and you're just mean, you know, we don't need that in Discord, so you will get kicked out. But guys, that was the sign up link. I don't even want to do any more lifetimes. It's too much of a pain in the ass. I'll give the link. I'm not in any friggin' hurry. I've already got like 15, 20 emails I got to respond to. If you do want to do lifetime, there's a link. Just contact me and I'll give you directions. It's $2.99. My suggestion to you, just sign up for 1 month for $39. It's easy because I don't really have to do crap. You just sign up, you get access to the charts. You will have to email me, and then I'll send you an invite link for the Discord and directions to follow me on Twitter. And at least you can try out the charts and see that it works for you. They work for everybody else, so they should work for you. But I would suggest, if you're new here, go back and watch my last few live streams. If you don't watch the whole live stream, at least look at the calls in the description and the thumbnail, and then see how accurate they were. And at least scroll to the end of the live stream, because I kind of sum up everything at the end of the live stream. So it's a 4-hour live stream. Just scroll to 10, 15 minutes before the end and watch it. Watch the very beginning and then watch the end if you don't want to watch the middle part. But yes, I think we're going to top out again. I think people are getting suckered because people keep getting suckered. I do not. People keep asking me this. People sending me emails saying, hey, I'll pay for one-on-one if you can show me stuff. Look, I have tutorials. You're welcome to shoot an email or a DM. I answer your questions. I can't give everybody time because there's too many people. I would never have any free time. If you have any questions, I'll answer your questions. But I'm not I'm not going to sit on the phone with you and have you pay me to tell you stuff that you already can get from my live streams. What's in that coffee? Caffeine? I haven't even started drinking it, shit. Yeah, let me drink my coffee. Let's see what happens. And guys, we're topping out. You're welcome. Guys, you're welcome. I told you that we'd potentially, if, I told you where your support was. We did come back below it, but it held. You're welcome. I told you to short 65K. You're welcome. I told you to short 40K. You're welcome. I told you to buy at 30K. You're welcome. I told you to short at 41K. You're welcome. I'm telling you you could be topped out now. Again, you're welcome. And I'm telling you that if we break 31,794, we're coming down to 19,000 in about a month. Again, in the future, you'll see. You're welcome. If you have an issue logging into your account, again, I don't know if you can log in from multiple devices. It goes by IP address, Godfather Pro. If you have any issues, just contact me through the contact page of the website. If you already sent an email, I will get to your email after the stream. I do get to every email. But I promise you, if anyone has any issues getting to the website, I immediately get them back in, so don't worry about it. You're welcome, Joe. G. Suck Joke is canceled. I assume it's raining. Everything is going to drop to oblivion. I think the whole damn world is going to just... It's coming to an end, guys. As we know it. Alright, this coffee is super hot. I need to pour it in my other cup. Alright, so yeah, we got topped out at the ring, guys. This is just every one of my videos in chronological order. Shows you what I expect, what's going to happen. Damn, they've been pretty freaking accurate. You know what? I'm going to toot my horn today. I've been pretty fucking on point. My calls have been on point as hell. And if you want me to go back and recap some of these, I'd be happy to. Wish I had a little kazoo in here. I could really toot my horn. That's not a kazoo. Where's my coffee cup? What the hell? Now I filled my coffee cup and I lost my coffee. Fresh coffee. Alright guys, just Emmy, thank you for the $10. I appreciate that. That'll buy me some more coffee. I'm gonna need it today. Notice we're back below this white line, guys. I'm telling you, it's not as bullish as you think. This Kevin Svensson, I'm bullish. Other people, it bottomed. I just hope you guys will just learn and understand that it's just exchanges. It's not even wells. Everything that happens with Bitcoin right now is just exchanges milking this for as much as they possibly can all the way down. That's all it is, guys. If price doesn't push up, then they're not getting money to come in so they can sell and screw you over, guys. Bitcoin is just a series of screwing other people over. And I'm just trying to warn you, yes, your point to stay in was right here. Once you push back up and held support, this is where you stayed in at 31.5, which I was talking about yesterday. And then when it pushed up and you got to this line, I made a tweet right here. I said refresh the G1 chart. This is the point to watch to get topped out. So as soon as you saw this wick push up and top out, this is where you get out. When you see it push up and you hit this red ring, this is when you get out. We already knew this in advance. That ring has been there for like 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months. I don't know how long. Just trying to help you guys. I'm trying to think for you. Now I can't pull the trigger for you. I can't tell you to buy or sell because financially I don't want to be responsible for that. I don't want to be responsible. It's not financial, advice. I can't tell you to sell or when to sell, but I want to show you, it makes sense. Hey, this is probably where you want to get out and take your profit. This is probably where you want to get in. Now this crap here, now this is just a bunch of shit. Because we did break my support and we came down as expected, but then bam, it just pushed right back up. But I would like to point out Even though this is some wacky, funky shit, you can still see the meat of the candle is above, and the wick is above. It's like a little M. See that? McDonald's coffee, best coffee in the world. But you can see we pushed back up, and now we're getting rejected here. So if you can't see the accuracy in these charts, I don't know what you're smoking. Samrat Ray, did you send me an email with your Twitter name, your Twitter handle? I assume that you signed up for my charts and then you sent a follow request, but you never emailed back and said that you're following me and what your handle is. I get hundreds and hundreds of follow requests every day. I just delete them. Unless you're subscribed, okay, if you send an email and I have not responded yet, that's why you're not added. Trust me, when I get to your email, if you email back, or if I've already emailed you with my Twitter name link, I will email back with my Twitter handle. If you've already sent it and I see your email, I will accept it. I promise. I have not answered emails since I got up this morning. Yeah, if you've been drinking some high-end, fartsy, smartsy, whatever those people drink that coffee. Look, if whatever coffee you drink, if you go to McDonald's and just get their cheap, large coffee, their coffee's better than Starbucks and Dunkin' combined. Anywhere you go, you can't get better coffee than McDonald's. I'm sorry. It's true. If you haven't tried it, you're missing out. John Papa, thank you. Yeah, let's see if we can get the likes up. We got 406 viewers in here. If everybody hits the like, then that's at least 406 likes. Yeah, I know it's cheap as crap and it's delicious. And I take advantage of it even more than that. When I get a coffee, I ask for like 10 creamers on the side. So I got my cafe K-Cups. So I don't have to buy creamer anymore. I go there, I buy my large coffee, right? Not today, because I had to go to Dunkin' because I needed to do this pretty quick. But I go to McDonald's, get a large coffee. They don't give a crap. Say, can you throw 4, 15, 20 creamers in the bag? Yeah, sure, why not? Now I got creamer from my cafe coffees. So I'm saving money too and getting the great coffee. Well, I don't get sugar in my coffee. I don't do sugar in my coffee anymore. Yeah, I couldn't do black. I used to do coffee cream and sugar, and then slowly did less and less sugar to now sugar's gross in my coffee. Instant coffee, don't think I could do instant coffee. But I guess it's what you're used to, It's what you're used to. Again, I was used to sugar in my coffee. I weaned myself off of it. Now sugar in my coffee is disgusting. Steve, on what's our time frame here for a strong movement? I don't know what you ate last night. I have no idea, and I don't want to know, okay? Keep that to yourself. We'll go see a doctor. Let's see. Support Steve. All he have tapped into something special. Okay. Support Steve all. We have tapped. Okay, that makes sense. We have tapped into something special here. Charts work to the T. They do. For some reason. Don't know why. You can't believe how many YouTubers were... Of course I can believe how many were on the moon wagon. Because that helps boost their ad revenue. That helps boost their views. When you get bullish, people watch. Yeah, I heard Blue Mountain Coffee. I've heard of Green Mountain. I don't know. I'm going to stick with what I like. Maybe I'll try it. But I like McCafe. Target vision, unfortunately, I don't know why. I've tried several times, but I'm not able to read your messages. If you want to try again, I'll let you know, but yeah, this time it failed. I'm not able to read your message. Sorry. Time value of creamer money. Hey, it does, and I don't know why. I've tried to buy creamer at Costco or places like that. They just don't have good creamer. The best creamer is at Dunkin' and McDonald's. So yeah, they don't give a crap about it. They just throw it in the bag. I have enough creamer for like 5 cups of coffee. It's perfect. So actually, it pays for the coffee. I'm pretty frugal. I don't want to repeat that again. Please help me, Steve. What's the right? So you're asking the right price to enter Bitcoin and Ethereum? You should have entered Bitcoin right down here, and you would have got wrecked. I told you if we got below this point, we would drop. We did. We dropped a total of friggin' 10%. But look what happened. We pushed right back above it. And then if you guys follow me on Twitter, look, price is fluid. Price changes, okay? You can't help that. When we were up here, guys, do you remember in Discord? Anybody was in Discord when I said, look, if we do open above, and I said this yesterday as well in the video, but in Twitter, on Twitter, Schwitter, and in Discord, guys, if you remember me saying this, please let me know. I said, if the next candle opens above this orange ring, that is bullish. When it did, it dropped down to support. I made a comment on Discord. I said, if you want to stay in, just have your stop set below this green line, because this is your major support. It pushed up ever since. So, I can make a video and say something, and then something completely changes, within hours. I'm not going to make another live stream, another video showing you what happened. If you're not following me on Twitter and you're not a member of Discord, then, go search for another YouTuber that knows what they're talking about, like Carl the Moon or that Chris, that Crypto, whatever. I mean, they'll steer you in the wrong direction. They'll show you what's going on. Otherwise, you have to follow me because, tweets are easy and Discord's very easy. But if you want unbiased, great TA, those are the people to go to. But I just want to see if we dump from here, guys. It looks like we're topped out at that red ring again. I told you that red ring is important. Hey, still, will we get to the F1 red ring? What do you think? I think we already pretty much are at it and got rejected. I already bought in. Look, when we came up, even, I told you, so you have to understand what I'm saying here. Look, I said that if we opened underneath, notice that every time this ring ends up being support and resistance, right? We pushed up, this ring was resistance right here. It was resistance right here, all right? See, it was resistance right there? And then, below it, you got the wick below it, wick above it. So the resistance was right here. Your support was right here. Perfect. The meat of the candle was right between the two. I said if we open below, that would be bearish to come down. If we open above, which we did, and then we drop down, I said, guys, this is where you want to be in. This is where I bought, just to get in, just to chance it, and have my stop set below. If I got stopped out, screw it. That's just how it was meant to be. But it pushed up. I'm in right now because, I don't like to be trading, but I think I'm going to get the hell out. The next candle opens in 44 minutes. If that candle opens and pushes up and tests this, I might get out right at 35,000. I might chance it to see if we push above it. If we get above it and hold support, we can push higher. But we're still below this trend line right here the price has been respecting on the G1 chart. Look. God, you guys think I have like a time machine or something. I'm telling you that if we break 31,794 and it becomes resistance, we are coming down much lower. I know, it's incredible how these charts are so accurate, especially since, when I create these charts, I'm just having fun and goofing off. And guys, bottom line, charts are accurate. If you just go back and watch previous live streams, I wish they weren't so long, because it's kind of hard to keep up with all of it. I'm bullshitting through most of it. Just trying to entertain you guys. But guys, yeah, I'm going to start saying this. Smash the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Do me a favor. Support these streams. Give me as many likes as you can. I want to get the most likes I've ever got. I think the most likes I've ever got is like, maybe 400. I've never got 1,000 likes. See, when are you going to tell everyone that these charts are created by your cat? It was a joint effort. If I'm moving a ring or I do something and it's not exactly right, show me out a certain way. See, just concentrate on making new charts. Yeah, I am. After the stream, I just want to show you might get topped out. I thought maybe that was important. because I think a lot of you are on the fence about whether you should be bullish or bearish. That's why I'm doing this stream, to protect you guys. That's it. You're welcome. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys. So again, let me recap. And by the way, if you want to start making better trades, and guys, before I give the link, let me ask you, how many of you have been successful trading these charts, and how many of you have been unsuccessful? Thank you, Tortured Genial. If I may, since when did you created those charts? Amazing Mate. Some of these charts are pretty damn old. I have dates on them, so if you scroll back, like this C1 chart, if you scroll back, I have the date I created the chart. This chart was created on 12/30/20, so it was created some time ago. But I keep, I do add flip circles to it. You notice back here I was talking about it on the 9th of June 2021. So these charts have been around for a while. I just add on to them, and as long as they're still accurate, I keep them. I keep them, labeled, and then if it's less active, or if it's not as accurate, what I'll do is I'll archive them. Okay, so Matt says killing it. Martin S says successful. Kai Mecking says very successful. Mike D says doing good here. Tim K. How often do you make these charts? Okay, extremely successful from John Papa. MED very successful. Genius successful. CPX 700 got the description since yesterday and worked perfectly out. Thank you. Dollar at 50 cent. Your charts made me profit, Steve. What a pathetic holder before I joined your group. Thank you. That's a nice thing to say, man. Appreciate that. K7 Mon. Can't trade with confidence without your charts. Must have. Very nice thing to say. Thank you, K7 Mon. Ahmed Fatah. I make thousands of dollars since you have your charts. Guys, listen to what these people are saying. Some of these people paid $39 and they're making good money off of these charts. $39 and they're making good money. Hey, you do what you want to do, okay? Do what you want to do. I haven't seen anyone say anything. Can I get one negative comment? Can someone tell me they lost money on my charts, at least to make it fair? Come on, one person has to have lost money with my charts. One person, please. Okay, Julian, send me an email and we'll take care of it. All right, Prince of Thorns lost money. No, stop saying you made money. I'm trying to find someone that lost money. No, Jesus. Will somebody help me out here? You lost $50,000. Okay, so Julian's the only person who lost money. Thank you. I will take care of you. Yeah, my charts are totally free once you pay for them. That is correct. And they're good. According to these people. I have made hundreds in the first live stream I watched and used that to pay for monthly. There you go. Okay, so look, if you want to sign up, guys, again, for $39 a month, if you're making money, I don't know. It seems like a pretty obvious decision, but, whatever. So if you want to subscribe, just $39 a month, here is the link. You do get access to our Discord. This isn't Sitar Steve. This is just Steve. Listen, if you sign up, you need to email me through the contact page to get invite to the Discord and Twitter. Discord's a wealth of knowledge. All right, good. I'm glad you lost $10. Not that you lost $10. I'm just glad that somebody actually lost money with my charts, because if everybody's making money and nobody's losing money, something wrong there. All right, again, if you want to take advantage of lifetime, and I don't suggest you do lifetime because, you should be skeptical about everything. Everything you do, you should be a skeptic. So try it out for a month. Yeah, I'll check all emails after the stream. So try it out for a month. And if it works out for you, then continue to do it, or then do lifetime. I paid for lifetime 2019 before we did stocks. Yeah, and the reason my OGs don't have access to stocks and tutorials, because that came after. But I do give you an option, though. If you're OG, you can upgrade to everything for $75. But if you're new and you want lifetime, it's $2.99. Oh, I'm glad you found your money. Good, Nunya. But again, this stream isn't going to go too much longer. Just to see if we get topped out here. The next candle's in 34 minutes. We're going to see what happens. I do think it's possible we get topped out of this ring yet again, guys. I'm telling you, watch. That is a red ring that price has been respecting. And we got dropped. We dropped at it. The Bollinger Band was right there. The F1 chart right there with that big white arrow. Joji, if you have an active subscription and you don't have access to the charts, just email me and I'll make sure I take care of you, all right? Yeah, everybody's happy with the Discord. The Discord's awesome. They always share different charts and make their own charts. They give you access to their charts. I think, Buck makes charts and shares his charts. So it's, and we got QWERTY in there and some others are sharing charts. MK. Yeah, well, yeah, fair East. And, again, I knew that if we broke below that, we would come down. I did not expect us to push up so quick. But again, I think that was coordinated to get people bullish before another dumpity dump. Hey guys, when I kill this stream, that's what I'm gonna be doing is hopping on the charts. I wouldn't be surprised if a few YouTubers. I think that goofy guy that's always like talking about milk or something. What's his name? He started out like kind of goofy. He's got a little beard or goatee or something. What's his name? Kind of a goofy stream. I think he got access to my charts. He wears glasses. What is the best chart to... Yeah, Tyler, that guy. I think he bought my charts. What is the best chart to follow once a day trade? You will see one. You notice right here in yesterday's live stream, I said if we come down, this will hold as support. But look, what happened? I said be careful because a lot of times you'll come down. We came down. And then we pushed back up. Look where the next candle opened. And look where we got rejected. This was our resistance. Once you got above it, boom, now this is your support. So if you want to chance staying in, this is the point of the charts. You load up the different charts, A1 through G1. So right now, if you want to stay in, have your stop below right here. Right here, below 33,287. If we break that, we're breaking, look, this was a lot of resistance right here. Now it'll be a support. You break that, your next major support's right here, 30,374 or 30,372. We know that this green ring's going to be respected. If we push up this high, we'll be above 35,000. Look, 35,000 is key for me. If we get above 35,000, hold support, even if we get above. So let's say we push above 35,000, and then we come back down, we hold support here at 34,666. That's bullish because we're above the ring that we cannot get above. I'm telling you, when a ring is keeping you down, then all of a sudden you push above it, that is bullish. But as long as we're below this, we're coming down. And once we break this, it's game over, guys. Really, it's game over. Well, short term, it looks bullish to everyone else, but to me, it looks like a trap. Everyone's saying that this drop was a bear trap. They're saying that they dropped it, so people would sell, and then it pushes back up. It's going to continue up. I don't believe that's the case. I believe that it's pushed up to get people bullish before it comes back down. Steve sent you a request to Twitter, emailed you with subject, accept my request. Yes, target, vision, I will accept your request as soon as I kill this stream. This is just a short stream just to see if we top out here. That's it. I think this is a bull trap. Not a bear trap, bull trap. Exchanges are moving the price up and down to liquidate longs and shorts. Retail might jump in when it goes up. Retail's not moving this. I'm sorry. Retail is not moving this right now. It's market makers, manipulators, and exchanges. And they're all in cahoots. And their algos are following my rings. Don't know why, but they are. Are we in a bear market? I think we're in a bear market. Some might disagree that math major, whatever guy, what's his name, Benjamin Cohen, he's saying that we're going to head up to 100,000 possibly. Maybe, go ahead. It's possible. Buy in, write it up. I disagree. But yes, if you send me an email, I will respond to emails, all right? I'll respond to emails. I respond to them all. Just got to give me a chance to go through them. Can I please say the key levels again? Yeah, I'll give you the key levels in a bit. But the most important level right here, look. I'll just make this very large so you can see it. If I can get, hold on here, get this brush off. This right here. This is a key level right here. If we break this, 31,700, we're coming down. If we get above 35,000, that is bullish. So far, we have not, because you know why? There's a red ring here that keeps sending us down. Your next support that needs to hold is right here on this chart. There's plenty of support levels, guys. There's so many support levels, it's ridiculous. This support level happens to be 33333. You know what? I'm going to just for fun. Hold on. Okay, so your next support level on the F1 chart. Hold on. So the next support level it needs to hold for a bounce is 33,333 and 33 cents. Steve, is Dow? Yeah, I'm gonna load. That's all. Just gonna load the Dow Jones up and the DXY, so we can check that out. And don't forget, guys, I'm expecting a stock market crash. Good afternoon, Thomas. Again, I'm telling you, I think we're topped out for another drop. I'm trying to show you how clear, and it's this simple, guys. It's this simple. It's as simple as this. Now, obviously, the time I took to create this ring and find this ring. All right, we topped out. We topped out here, right? We topped out here, right? This is a red ring. We topped out here, right? Okay, let's move forward. Let's move forward, right? We were like right here. I said when we push up, you want to short 41K, red ring, right? Okay, well, where are we at now? Well, we hit the red ring. What happened? We almost hit it. We got rejected right here. So again, 35,000's key point. Matthew Miller, why are you being so bearish? I mean, come on, really, $10,000? I think that's way too bearish. I think 14K is much more likely. But yes, 10K would be the bottom. But don't be so bearish. Don't spread FUD. Don't scare people. Hello?
Dear customer, thank you for your purchase on Amazon shopping. This call is to inform you that your purchase for Apple MacBook Pro and Apple AirPods will be delivered by tomorrow evening, and $1,537.35 has been debited from your account for the purchase. If you authorize this charge, no action required. If you did not authorize this charge, then press 1 to get connected to Amazon.
Thank you for calling Amazon customer support. My name is Jeffrey. How may I help you?
Yeah, I got a for for an Apple something and a laptop. It was like over $1,000 on Amazon. Apparently, that's what you.
All right, sir. Before I address your issue, I need to verify certain details for your security. So this is your phone number 704.
Hey, don't give away my number. You crazy? Look, I'm pissed off because I ordered twice that much. I ordered 5 Apple phones. I ordered 5 laptops. You guys screwed up. Why are you only sending one of each? Send my damn order and send the rest of them. I spent $10,000. What are you, stupid? Amazon hires stupid people now? Oh, he hung up on me. I love messing with you scammers. Oh no, I didn't order that. Please cancel it. Let me give you all my information. I love when they say that my name is Jeff Joe, James Smith, and you can hardly understand what they're saying. I know. I was like, blah, 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 blah. Hopefully you didn't get that. I'm gonna have to change my fucking number now. Seriously, if you get my number and call it, I'm just gonna change my fucking number. But that is how you handle a scammer, guys. That's how you handle a scammer. He did not sound like a Jeffrey. Kill these fucking phone calls. Hey, you're welcome. Look, when we have live streams, we're gonna have some fun. All right, we're gonna have fun. Fun in crypto and fun. I hope I get another scammer call soon. He's probably so mad. He's probably gonna get fired. He's probably talking to his boss in his call center. I couldn't get to the mute button. I just blah 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 blah. Where's the rest of my Apple iPhones? I spent $10,000. You're only sending part of my order. Yeah, these damn scammers. Yeah, I answer these on streams whenever I get calls. It's fun. Got the IRS scam where they say they're sending to arrest me. It's like, no, you can't send them now. I'm doing illicit stuff, and I've got these women over here, and I had to pay them in crypto. If you send the cops now, I'm going to be put under the prison. Well, we're definitely sending the police then if you don't pay. No, I don't have the money yet. Just wait. Yeah, they're pretty they're not good at their call, and it's so obvious. It's VoIP. As soon as you heard that little boop, you know that it's a scam right off the bat. And especially when someone from India with a thick accent says her name is James or Stephen or Smith. Yeah, he did not sound like a Jeffrey. Seriously, don't call me, all right? If you guys get my number and you start calling me, I will not answer I will stop doing streams. Don't even think about it. Just don't do it. I'll delete this damn stream. Leave me alone, people. I'm happy doing streams. I'm happy helping you guys out, but have a little respect. Do you think we will test the red ring again? I think we already pretty much tested. I think we got topped out at the Bollinger Band. I think we're coming back down, guys. I honestly think we're coming back down. But I did tell you, I'm giving you both scenarios. I'm doing what all these YouTubers do that are scared because they don't want to say something that'll mess up their... Well, if you watch these, even Alessio, he was talking about inflation. He said these three things have to happen for inflation. And he was covering them. But every time he said it, he said, oh, but if this happens, then it's possible it'll be... He said deflation was coming, but he said if this happens, it's inflation. Because they got to be careful. He's got to protect themselves. He's got to say this or that or this or that. So he's not giving you anything. He's saying it could be deflation, it could be inflation. You do not get shit from these people. I am telling you, we are going to get topped out at 35,000 and start coming back down. I'm telling you right now. 35,000 is a likely point to get rejected, to come back down and test key support. If that key support breaks, we are going down to $19,000 next month. That is a very specific thing I'm telling you. Every single video I give you, I tell you what I expect. So far, pretty much they have played out. That little wick we got down on the G1 chart, the push back up, that was unexpected. It was expected we'd drop, not push back up. All right, good. I'm glad nobody got the number. So again, we're just seeing if we come back down and test key support, guys. iPhone delivery. Well, make sure you send me the iPhone 12 because it has that LiDAR where you can scan stuff and make 3D models. That would come in really handy for some of the stuff I do. I just want to do that for fun. I wonder if that works for like, do you know what I'm talking about with those phones? You can just take pictures around in different directions and it takes that and uses that information. I wonder if you could do that from pictures, like people talking in different angles. If we do that, that'd be kind of neat. I could turn some of these YouTubers into 3D models and really just mess with them and have some fun. If we break the red ring, could we still come down? Of course, Casey, anything's possible. I'm just giving you an indication that, look, that red ring has been pushing price down every time we hit the red ring on the F1. Now, I had to put it on the 3-hour and the 2-hour. The red ring disappeared. Don't know why. It is now on the 3-hour. So if you have access to these charts, make sure you refresh it, and you'll see the F1, the red ring will appear. But again, guys, I've told you this so many times. When a ring is keeping us down, when we finally break above it, you can expect a pump. So listen, if we push above this red ring, expect a friggin' pump, guys. I'm showing you right now. If you get above 35,000, if it's over here, it's 34,667. If we get above this, expect a pump. Otherwise, we're going to continue down. And if we break this support at 31,700, we are heading down much lower. An action figure, Carl. That would be kind of fun to do. Yeah, I would sell those. The 3 hour looking quite bearish. Guys, I'm telling you, they're tricking everyone. They're making you bullish when it's, and again, if you get above 35,000, I'll get bullish. Well, see, that's it. But it's just using light. I guess if it uses LiDAR, it's a different technology. But you can actually use your regular phone, and you can take pictures at different angles. And then you can use an app that will take all those images and create a 3D model. So if it just goes based on lighting in reference to a previous image, hundreds of them, then it is possible that you could actually shoot someone talking if they're in the same position, different angles, and then you could actually make a 3D model of them. I'm going to freaking try it. I want a 3D model of Carl interacting with Crypto. You're not helping, actually. You're changing many lives. Oh, that's a sweet thing to say, Contracts Beatbox. I hope for the better. I think it will stay below the red ring. If it does push above it, then hey, we're going much higher. But I think we're going to get topped out again. I think this will be my... well, I said we top out at 42K. A while back, we topped out. I said we top out 65K. We topped out. I said we top out 40K. We topped out. Recently, I said we top out 41K. We topped out. And I'm telling you, we're about to top out at 35K. Let's see if I can get all of these right in a row. Let's see if I can do it. So, 42K was one, 65K was another, 40K was another, 41K was another. So I got 4 right. Let's see if I can get a 5th one right. I say we're topped out at 35K to come down. Let's see if I'm 5 for 5. If you're feeling down, stare at a clown. If we hit the red ring, we're coming back down. Eric, can I quote you on that? What do you think of Crypto and Carl? I think they're boyfriend and boyfriend. Is nothing against that. I'm glad they're happy, but it's pretty obvious. Is it possible to have a look at NVIDIA Technologies? NVIDIA's doing well. I know NVIDIA's doing well because they got $3,200 from me for, well, actually, I bought it on eBay, but yeah, they're doing very well. Every time a card becomes available, it's gone instantly. I imagine NVIDIA stocks up, but they can't produce as many cards as they want because there's a global semiconductor shortage. Another reason the stock market's going to crash. Yeah, I didn't go to McDonald's. I went to Dunkin'. But yeah, McDonald's coffee is much larger and much cheaper and much more tasty. Yeah, again, some of these people are so damn serious. They're so worried they're going to lose subscribers. Go ahead, unsubscribe. I don't give a shit. If you want to leave a like, leave a like. It doesn't matter. But I'm trying to help you guys out. I don't care. I'm going to tell you I think we're going to drop. If we don't drop, I was wrong. I'm telling you I think we're topped out at 35K. And if it doesn't happen and I lose some subscribers, c'est la vie. But the last calls are correct. I have a different kind of charting. I don't just have trend lines at horizontal or just moving average. Moving averages get broke all the time. I have a specific roadmap, and that red ring says every time we hit it, we got rejected. So one of two things is going to happen. We're going to get above that red ring. We're going to get one hell of a pump. If that happens, you want to buy and ride this bitch up. If we cannot get above that red ring at 35K, we are coming back down to test support at 31,700, which we've already tested like 5 times now. So that means if we test it again underneath that white line, what's going to happen? We're going to break it, and we're going to drop. But yeah, let's have fun, guys. You can't be too serious. Okay, Farah East, I think last stream you had you said something and I didn't see it, so I'm paying attention. I'm ignoring everyone else but Farah East. What is your question? When it gets above the ring, but if you don't have access to the chart, you won't know. Yeah, everybody in this stream is smart. Everybody in this stream right now, you're very, very smart people. Once you leave the stream, you're no longer smart. And everybody else on the planet, nope, not smart. Well, thank you, Andres. I don't know how to say that. I don't know that's Andres. Thank you. Appreciate that. Good to have my mods in here. Glad to have you here, man. You've been a very good mod, helping out in Discord and here in YouTube, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, I forgot about the Dow. Oh, that guy, did he put it? I have a question for you. Farrah East, I'm waiting for your message. If you don't do it soon, I'm going to give up on you. Yeah, if you eat Play-Doh and you want, like, you know, a little extra, sniff a little glue after you eat the Play-Doh. All right, okay, I guess that person's not going to send a message. When do you think the stock market will crash? Soon. Would you please take a look at DXY? Yes, I will take a look at DXY. But not before I run outside real quick. Remind me when I come back inside to load up the Dow Jones and the DXY. Amen. Remind me to do that, all right? Because I'll see your name is in blue. I ignore everybody else. So, oh yeah, the silver coin winners. Maybe I can do that today. Yeah, I'll pick those 3 silver coin winners today. Ah, shit. Shouldn't even done that. Wouldn't have to do it. So when I get back in, remind me. If you left a comment 2 streams back, the one I said leave a comment, no, that stuff's bad for you. I go outside and enjoy fresh air. So listen, when I get back in, no, stop talking about that stuff, all right? No, you can't talk about that stuff in here because that's bad. Anybody talks about that stuff, please remove those comments. So again, I'm going to go outside, enjoy some fresh air. And then when I get in, I'm going to load up the Dow Jones chart. We're going to load up the DXY chart. And then I'm going to pick those 3 coin winners from that live stream. People left a comment. Those 2020 American Silver Eagle coins. Once I do that, and then I'm randomly going to kill the stream when you guys don't expect it. That's the plan. And then I'm going to get to charting. All right, guys. I'll be right back. Refresh my coffee. Just pour it in my cup. Amen. Remind me, all right? Don't understand why this fresh air is making me cough. I forgot my phone. All right, guys, just 4 more minutes, and Dow Jones, DXY, and the there's 3 winners for this coins. I'm gonna pick them. So make sure you already left your comment on that video. Alright guys, I'm going to pour this crappy Dunkin' coffee out. I'm going to do my cafe and Dow Jones, DXY, and then I'm going to pick the 3 coin winners. Let me refresh my coffee because this is disgusting. Hey kitty. Still getting rejected, guys. I told you, 35K is probably the top. We're coming down. Alright, I'm gonna give the kitty cat some greenies so she'll be quiet. There you go. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so first thing, let's load up the Dow Jones. And again, guys, if you do want to subscribe, this is the subscribe link right here. Try it out for just 1 month. The $39 a month, get access to Bitcoins, altcoins, precious metals, Discord, and Twitter. You can cancel anytime. Look at the bottom of the website. On the bottom right, it tells you how to cancel. If you do want to contact me about Lifetime, or if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. Please do not send more than one. I have quite a few emails I have to respond to. So I'm going to go to stocks. We're going to look at the Dow Jones Original. Let's see what's going on with this. I haven't looked at the Dow today. I have no idea. Alright, it looks like it's in the red. It might be coming down. Alright, so the Dow Jones, look, I don't know what the hell is going on with TradingView. My rings are not where they need to be. See, on the daily, you see that? You see how the ring is correct on the daily, but on the 4 hour, it's not correct? So I need to find out what the hell is going on with TradingView. It's really pissing me off. So listen, if we push up, you're looking for a perfect point to short the Dow, this is where you short right here. I'm going to save this on the daily. I don't know why it's doing this. You mentioned the DXY is bullish. Okay, if the DXY, if the dollar is dropping, that's bullish for Bitcoin. If the dollar is pushing up, it's bearish for Bitcoin. Look, if we push up, you want to short 34,290. I believe this was the top. Once we broke this this yellow line here, it was game over. So if we push up, 34,290 is where you want to short. Your next support to catch a balance is going to be right down here around. And again, I think we're coming down from here. I do not see us getting above this. Once we broke this yellow line, that's it. The Dow is ready to start coming down, which means the rest of the market is going to come down as well, which means that's bearish for Bitcoin. I'm sticking by what I'm saying, guys. If we push above here, we'll see. Your next support is 32,701, and then your ultimate first target is going to be down here around 30,933 for the Dow. You got that? All right, let's check out and see what's going on with the. I'm going to save this. Let me make this smaller, guys. So if you're on a cell phone, these look huge on a mobile phone. I think it was Fallon that told me that and kind of helped me out with that. Okay, so that's the Dow Jones. Let's look at the DXY. If the DXY is pushing up, guys, that is not good for Bitcoin. Remember that. All right, let's see what's going on here. This is the DXY chart right here. So currently we are underneath this. This line right here is acting as support, and now it is resistance. Okay, so look, if we get above 91.72, your next resistance is 91.99. So we have to get above 91.99 before this pushes higher. Your next key support level to watch is 91.30, 91.30. So it does look like we might get rejected, come back down, and then we'll hold support. We'll have to see what happens. But right now we're under resistance, so this looks like this could get rejected and come back down. So DXY has been coming down a bit, but you know what? This does look like a falling wedge, guys. To me, it looks like a falling wedge. So that's a bullish pattern, right? This could, and if this is a flagpole, look at this. If this is a flagpole, right? That's I don't know if it's a flagpole or if it would just be the distance to the falling wedge. But if this is a this would send us up really. This is 93.47. That'd be very bearish for Bitcoin. All right, so let's find the winners for this coin. So let me find that video. All right, so that video for the coin winners. Let's see. YouTube. Turn the volume down. All right, I gotta find out which one that was. All right, so there's gonna be 3 winners, 3 coins. What didn't you hear? I was talking. All right, let's see. Manage videos. So that video with the coin. Optiart, are you here? Do you know which video that was with the coins? I think you made comments about it. Maybe it's this one. Hold on. I know because it had a lot of comments. This one has 66. No, it's probably the last one. Hold on. All right, 202 comments. This is the video for the coin winners right here. All right. Wow, I got 593 likes. That's a record for me. Yeah, 202 comments. Damn, Preston, you want a coin or what? Look how many comments Preston left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think Preston wants to win a coin. Jesus. All right. All right, so here's what we're going to do. So I'm going to use Raffle Dash. Not that Raffle Dash, where they rip you off. Let's see, random comment selector. And let's do picker Raffle Dash. All right, so we have a Raffle Dash. So here we go, guys. You ready? We're gonna find out who wins those 3 coins. So this was a video. It was on June 21st, and I'm gonna copy the link. All right, got the link here, and I'm gonna put it in. All right, so here we go. We're gonna find the first winner. 1 of 3 coins. It's gonna be 3 winners. Here we go. The first winner, and it's if you said something mean and you're you know, I don't have to give a coin away to that person. So I hope that you left a nice comment. Here we go. The first winner, the first coin, Greg Unweiler. Great show, Steve. Keep up the good work. All right, so let me text this to OptiArt. Congratulations, Greg Unweiler. I don't know how to say your name. You won a coin. And guys, we pay for shipping. You don't pay for shipping. Doesn't matter where you are. If you live on the moon, we pay for shipping to the moon. All right, let's see. Where's OptiArt here? All right. First coin winner. And this is Greg. Anweiler. Anweiler. All right. The second winner. Ready, guys? The second winner is Simon Deschner. Thanks for the live stream, Steve. Congratulations, Simon. You just won a coin. All right. Second winner. All right. Simon. Daschner. All right, the third and final winner. Here we go, guys. I hope all of you win, all right? But that's probably not going to happen because there's only one more. Here we go. Scott Thomas, congratulations. Good info as always. Thank you. Scott Thomas, you just won a coin. So those are the 3 winners. Third winner. Scott Thomas. And guys, I got more coins to give away. Don't worry, we got plenty more. Plenty more coins to give away. If you didn't win, there's always next time, guys. Always next time. Okay, so let's discuss. Hey, which coin is he talking? Yeah. So this is the coin right here. I'll show you the coins that they're gonna get, and I'll do more of these. I promise. I've been doing these for what, over a year now, I think. Eagle. Yeah, I'll show you the coins. It's not rigged. I went to our website and it's not rigged. I mean, the website just, you put in a comment, so you put in a link and it picks random comments. Yeah, so this is the coins, and I'll do another giveaway, guys. I'll do another one, and I'll do this is the coin that the 3 winners are gonna get, and this is how it comes. It says Optical Arts. It's 2020 American Eagle 1 ounce 0.99 silver brilliant uncirculated coin. This is the coin right here. It's in a capsule, never been touched. It's uncirculated. And again, we pay for shipping. And as I said, guys, I have plenty of coins. I have plenty more giveaways. I take my ad revenue that I make, which is crap, and then I use that ad revenue to buy these coins and give back to you guys. So that's what I do with my ad revenue. Give back to the community. All right, so let's get this off here. So let's cover this, all right? Yeah, everybody wants a little silver. So look, I told you that when you hit this red ring, and I did make a tweet. Look at my Twitter here. Let me show you my Twitter. This is also important as well. So if you'll notice right here, I made a tweet about this. I said, to reference later, notice meat of candle is above green support line and price is still under orange ring with 2 hours and 30 minutes before next daily candle open. You see that? We pushed up, we were getting rejected right here. And then I did make a tweet. I said, pay attention to see if next daily candle open is above or below orange ring on G1. Obviously, if it opens above is bullish, below is bearish. 6 hours, 25 minutes. I was telling you to pay attention. And you can see what happened. The candle opened above. It opened above the orange ring, came down, found perfect support, and pushed up. So there you go. That did play out. But I also said, refresh G1 chart, and I made a comment here, if we do push up. So right here, I said next resistance to watch. Red ring on F1 chart. Look, next resistance you watch. Red ring F1 chart. Where did we get rejected, guys? Where did we get rejected? Right here. I tell you ahead of time, guys. I'm playing these charts like a fiddle. Is that how they say it? Boom. There's your top. We're coming down. Yeah, because we have this ring. Nobody else has this ring. Only we have this ring. Only we know where to get in and get out. You get in here, right? Because this is a key support level going back to the beginning of Bitcoin. Watch previous live streams, you'll understand why. We topped out of this ring, we're coming down. This is your first support. If you want to try to, this was a lot of resistance right here. A lot of resistance, right? A lot of resistance. Now this could flip as support, we could push up and test it again. So if you wanted a chance, a quick scalp trade, a long, we're already at support here at 33,287 on the C1, and we're almost at support on the F1. Yeah, these don't really apply right now. But look, if you want to catch a quick scalp trade, if you want to chance a long, it's always a chance. You could chance a long at 33,300, and that's right on par with this one, 33,300. So you could chance a quick long right here. If we come down, test the support, chance a long up to this ring again, which will probably be around 34,618. Remember, if we push above, guys, if we've been below this red ring going way back, if we do push above this, I expect to get one hell of a pump. I have told you about this in the past. When a ring is keeping you down and you finally break it, expect one hell of a pump. Until we get above that ring, though, it is continually to be bearish. Above red ring, F1 bullish, below bearish. You could do a scalp trade, a quick long from 33,300 if you want to chance it. It's always a gamble, but that is support. If we drop below 31,700, guys, we're coming down. Yeah, I saw that Kevin Svensson is talking about, everybody else was talking about. I think Crypto Kirby was talking about wick off, what the opposite of accumulation. Obviously we had our drop, and now they're saying it's wick off accumulation. So everybody's watching this and seeing this, and you don't think these wells and exchanges are smart enough to know that people are paying attention to this? So just think about that, all right? If everybody's thinking the same thing, the opposite is probably going to happen. And they don't have our rings. Only we have our rings. So again, I think that's the most important thing. Notice we're back right underneath this, guys. We're right back underneath it. Right back underneath this white line right here. Coming down from this red ring. Again, look. This red ring right here. Told you short 41K. We came down a lot. We came up and we hit it and got rejected up here. Look. Rejected. Rejected. And rejected. So what I'm telling you is, yes, as long as we're below this red ring, we're coming down. Once we get above, we're bullish. And once we break 31,700, it's coming down. Yeah, you shouldn't judge people by the way they look. You should judge them by their TA and the way they look. So I think I covered all of that. Again, if you do want to access these charts, again, guys, if you want to sign up, do not send more than one email. If you are signed up or you've already signed up, make sure you email me. I'll give you the Discord invite link and instructions to follow me on Twitter. The subscribe link is right here. Today I got to get busy charting. If you want to contact me, this is a contact page. I assume OptiArt's going to leave comments about the winners of the coins. If you are a coin winners, if you want a coin, so I'm going to give you the names again. Greg and Wheeler won a coin, Simon Dashner won a coin, and Scott Thomas won a coin. So we will take care of that. We'll pay for shipping, but you need to contact me through the contact page of the website, and then I'll take care of that. But guys, listen, this is the most important thing right here, so do not miss this. Pay attention. Out of everything I've talked about on my streams, this is the most important. Are you guys paying attention? I need your undivided attention right here, because this is very, very important. And this is important because if you don't pay attention, you might get wrecked. Okay, good. So this is the most important thing that you need to pay attention to. So